In this video, I'll detail how to change Assistive Access wallpaper. So if you set up Assistive Access on your iPhone on iOS 18 and you want to change the wallpaper, this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change Assistive Access wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Accessibility. Then, one on the accessibility page, scroll down until you get to General. Click on Assistive Access. Make sure you set up Assistive Access. If you have not done that, you can check the video description to see how to set up Assistive Access on iPhone on iOS 18. Now, scroll down. Locate Wallpaper and click on that. Then, tap Choose Photo. Here, you'll be able to select your photo to set as your Assistive Access wallpaper. You see that? So once that is done, just hit the back button. So whenever your iPhone is on Assistive Access, you will be able to see the new wallpaper set on your iPhone. So that's all you need to do to change Assistive wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.